everybody, so I just wanted to show you this hair and how I tame it, what I do, how I wear it at night, and give you the details of it. So if you're interested, keep watching. Jumping straight into the video, this is how I sleep at night with just a scarf on and my hair pulled back. You can see how the hair looks straight out of the ponytail and just fluffed out, but the first thing that I'm going to do is spray it with the water. There's no conditioner in this water bottle, it's just straight water, and I'm parting it into sections so I can concentrate on one section at a time. You don't want to detangle the hair while it's dry because you will get more shedding, so I'm going to spray it and then take a brush and brush it out from the ends and work my way upward. I ordered this hair from Amazon. It came with 3 bundles and a 13x4 frontal, but I didn't use the entire frontal. I cut a little bit more than the ear tabs off just because I'm new to like frontals and stuff like that, so I didn't want to deal with like the ear tabs and everything and trying to lay that down. And as you can see, with no product at all and just water, the curls are really pretty. So if you were in a rush and just wanted to spray some water on there and go, then you could, but I'm gonna add a couple more extra steps. When I say that this is the best curly hair that I've ever had, I mean that. I mean, like, just look at it. It is so pretty. But don't get curly hair thinking that you're just going to wake up and go, because it is some maintenance that you have to put into it. But I'm going to show you how much shedding that I got off of the brush. And this is the only time that I ever get shedding, is when I'm detangling the hair and trying to define the curls. If I'm just running my fingers through the hair throughout the day, then I do not get shedding at all. These two products will be listed in the description box below. One of them is a curling mousse and the other one is a leave-in conditioner. And I'm just taking a little bit and running it through each side of my hair. And last but not least, I'm just brushing the product throughout the hair to distribute it, and then I'm going to lay the baby hair down on the frontal. And the frontal did come pre-plucked, so there wasn't much that I had to do to this hair at all. And this is what it looks like in its wet, natural state. But I did get this hair from Amazon for $100, a little over, not much. I will leave the link in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Me personally, I like to let it get dry, run my fingers through it and wear it bigger. So what I'm gonna do is wear it for a while, and then I will come back and show you guys how it looks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment if you liked it. Comment any other videos that you would like for me to do. And let me know if you get this hair and how you like it. I feel like everybody sleep on Amazon. For real.